You might be thinking, what am I doing and why am I doing this? Let me pause this here and tell you a story. Last week, I traveled to Etretat and I really enjoyed the experience of driving to this beautiful stone beach. This is one of the mesmerizing beaches which is present on the shores of English Channel. Etretat is a small touristic and agriculture town present on the northwestern part of France. It is famous for its chalk cliffs and natural arches. It also has a tall stone formation called Lagule, which is 230 feet high above the sea level. Now, without making any delay, let me show you my journey to this place. Hello everyone, right now we are at Etretat. This is 200 kilometers from Paris and it almost takes 2.5 hours to come here. This is a beautiful place for sunset and we decided to come here today as it is a long weekend. And let's explore the place. This is a stone beach. There are multiple cliffs over here and we are at one of the cliffs. I'll show you the drone videos and let's see what else can we explore here. Right now we are moving from one cliff to the another cliff and we are going on a small hike. Behind me is Simran. Hello. The savage lady. Oh my god. This was a nice place for sunset.
हाय मैं भी हूँ पीछे
ये देखो ये अपना साउथ इंडियन हीरो है Moving from one cliff to the another was not as simple as it looked. So, we decided to relax on the beach, grabbed some food, and moved towards the other cliff to watch the sunset. So, it's 8 p.m. already, and sunset is not happening. I think it will take 1 more hour. The prediction is at 9. We had to return our car at 11:30, and so we'll have to leave now. Unfortunately, we will not be able to see the sunset till next time. We have got drone shots and very chilling and relaxing on the beach. We did not not get to do a chance of kayaking. It was too late for us and it was too windy for them also. So we'll maybe try it next time. But yeah, the trip was super good and we enjoyed a lot. Hopefully you guys also enjoyed a lot, and I'll keep coming with the videos again. Bye. सिमरन, how are you feeling?
वैष्णो देवी की प्रैक्टिस करा दी तूने।
इतने में?
हाँ, इतने में मैं 4 धाम घूम के आ जाती।